Next up, the Med Tent Gates extraction. This one's part of the new factory expansion, or rather, the old factory expansion, and it's on this side of the map. Over here, we have the offices. On the south side, on the west, we have the extraction by these big silos. I'll head down the stairs here, coming from offices, across and over the barbed wire here, so we can get to the area we need to be in, round the back side of these silos here. So we'll run to the left and towards this back area here, where we have a relatively new tent. Heading round the back and into this area, we'll find a tent from Terror Group. We need to head into this, and all the way at the back over here, past all of these creepy suits, we'll have a door that we can head inside, and all the way back here, using the factory exit key, we can get inside to the Med Tent Gates. Unfortunately, you will need a key, otherwise if this door is locked, there's no way to breach through it without it. So do keep that in mind if this is an extract that you have available. Let's find it on the map. Here I have a map of factory on the left hand side here. The west, we have the office buildings, and on the southeast, past all of the big silos, we have this open area that's part of the expansion, and all the way back here is the Med Tent Gates behind the locked factory exit key door. It's easy enough to get to and relatively hidden away. Players that haven't played the game for a while will find themselves in a strange place when they enter this area. It is new. So anyways, thank you for watching this super quick guide. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.